Children, now let's practice alphabet book and open page number 6. And in page number 6, we are going to do the introduction of cursive A, letter A. So, are you ready? Let's start. So, first of all, write today's date in the date column. Write date 15 4 2021, and this is your classwork. So put tick on the classwork. Now I have already told you that how we have to do the rainbow writing. How many colors we have in rainbow? Yes, we have 7 colors. We have 7 colors in rainbow. So we will start our rainbow writing on the dots given and we will make cursive A. So let's start with first color, that is violet. And I have already told you that you have to always start with down to up. Down to up. So let's start. From down, go up, 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 up. Without stopping your crayon, just make a curve. Then come back with the same line and make C curve. Go up, join the curve, come down and then go up like this. So now with next color we will do with indigo. Press a crayon, go down to up, make a curve, again go back with the same line, make C curve, join the curve, come down and make slanting line. Now with blue, down to up, go up, make curve, come down, go up, come down and up. Your crayon should move like this only. Now again with green we will do down to up, go up, make a curve, come down, making C curve, join the curve, come down and slanting line. After that do it with yellow color. Down to up, go up, make curve, make C curve, up, come down and curve. Now with orange, down to up, curve, make C curve, join the curve, come down and curve. Now last color is our red color. Down to up, make curve, make C curve, go up, come down and slanting line. This way you have to make A with all seven colors of rainbow. And now we have to color the associated pictures with letter A. So first picture is of astronaut. So I am going to take silver color and going to color astronaut nicely. If you don't have silver color, you can take white or you can take light blue color also. So color it very nicely. You can do skin color in the face. Make hair of black color. This way, and this way you have to color your astronaut. Now next is almond, and almond is of brown color, so you will do brown color nicely in the almond. This way you will color your almond Next is a picture of award. A award. So I'm going to color yellow in my award. Next is ambulance. Ambulance is of white color, and you can color the plus sign and light with the red color this way. So these are the associates with A. Astronaut. Astronaut, who is astronaut? That the person who goes in space is called astronaut. Next is almond. Almond is a dry fruit we eat. We should always eat at least 5 almonds in a day. Next is award. When we do very good work, so we are awarded for that, right? If we win a race, we get an award. Award means a trophy, or a prize is called a award. Next is ambulance. What is ambulance? Ambulance is a mode of transport that carries the ill people or the sick people to the hospital. So these are the associates with A. You have to collect more things with A, and you have to make video as we have done in class. Okay children, do beautiful work and send me your videos and your images. Bye bye. Take care.